There we go. There you go. Oh. Oh. Yep. I was just about to say, let me finish this retrieve and I'll run over there and get it. It's a little baby. All right, be easy. Oh, that works.
I can't believe he came that far to get it. That's why I was saying too.
Well, we're off to a good start. Yeah, that tail is, that was a weird tail. You look funky. .8. Almost 4. That's a good one.
Get him in or not. I think I got a good hook into him. Burning it over that rock.
Yeah.
Oh man, not worry about the net.
Oh my God.
That is weird. Never caught a catfish like that before. He hit it hard too.
Caught him in a U shape. Plunk.
He's like, I carried a pistol just in case.
There we go. Oh yeah. Oh.
I'm taking you out here again.
Quick dive. There we go.
Nice one.
Oh. He's about the same as the last one I caught, really. Probably 3.5, maybe. 3.54. That was damn near spot on. Yeah. Nice fish.
Carried away there.
Feisty little sucker. Yeah, it does. Yeah, it's a nice one. Not too bad. If they did, I didn't hear it or notice it. There we go. There we go. Oh, come on.
Sounds like it's about time to go back for them to go back to Lake Hartwell. Go there every couple of years. You ever get a chance to go to the
Low guy.
classic, like the...
Oh, there he goes.
Fell off the boat.
That's a nicer one, for sure.
There you go. kid that comes up and he's like, he knew who he was. He's like a 12-year-old kid or something.
Oh yeah.
A state park not too far from here called Cant State Park. And it's a bunch of these strip pits.
That shed that just jumped looked exactly like this. Match that hatch. That's as far as I can cast it. That thing don't cast very far. I might be able to loosen up this brake a little bit. I'm not sure. There we go. Yep. Oh boy. Oh man. Yeah, this is a good one. Hopefully he's pinned. Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. Pooh!
Plenty of
Baby bullshit did some work. Little baby bullshit.
Creve Coeur Lake's kicking ass today.
Yeah.
Ooh, crazy big, but he's thick.
Yeah, he's heavy. 3 3/4.
Damn,
I cannot believe that that's only 3 3/4.
I think he's short.
Yeah.
It's maybe 17, but it's thick. Not like he's been eating jet. Here's another one.
Right.
Barely hasn't changed. Decent one.
Had a little belly on it. Wasn't too bad though.
Hard. Felt like it was big when he hit it. I thought I missed the hook set.
Nope, you just took him on a wild ride, that's all. Boop. Had something pecking at it. There we go. Fish on. Yep. It's a good one. I felt him pecking at it. Man, he's trying to stay down. Oh my God. Get up here, boy. We want to see you. Here he comes. Here he comes. Oh!
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, damn, that was a decent fish. Freaking jig bust me right in the wrist. Payback time, I guess.